Hey guys, today we're taking a look at a no weather radio. There's more to it than just a weather radio though. We're going to get it opened up and see what all it has to offer. I want to thank the folks over at OnLyee for sponsoring this video. Have your power block for your USB cord. And speaking of USB cords, we have a USB A to C cord. Look, we have some important battery notice paper. It's like a user manual. And the radio itself. Pretty compact. Actually, it's not much bigger than my cell phone. Actually, it's smaller than my cell phone. Pretty cool looking radio. Has a screen right here and all your buttons. We'll go over those in just a moment. And what I was saying about it being more than just a weather radio, it has Bluetooth on it so you can stream music from your phone or your listening device. Has a preset equalizer, dual alarm micro SD card playback, and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Right there. All right, let's bring the camera up and take a closer look. All right, guys, right here you have your power button. Right here you have your pairing button, but if you have a micro SD card in there, you can press that, and it's supposed to play the previous track on that micro SD card. Right here you have your previous track button if you're hooked up to your phone or whatever, your Bluetooth device. Or if you're in the FM mode, it will go to the previous radio station. Right here you have your next track if you're on the Bluetooth, or if you're on the FM radio, it will go to your next saved station. Right here you have your play and scan button, but it also works as your snooze button if you have your alarm set. It does have an alarm clock. It's one of the features that it does offer. Over here you have an SOS mode. This is supposed to be an emergency siren. We'll check that out in a minute. Right here you have your WX button. Right here you have your menu button. Also works as a back button. So if you're in the menu, you can click it and it'll go to the previous menu selection. Right here is your preset. Right here you have your enter equalizer button. Okay, right here you have your USB-C port. This is for your power cord. Right here is your headphone jack. It also doubles as a reset button. Here is a micro SD card slot and your volume button. You have your radio antenna. You can just pull that up and extend that. And your base radiator. Has little rubber feet on it, keeps it from sliding. Nice looking little radio. Okay, as far as your USB-C port goes, this is where you will charge it, but you could leave that cord hooked up all the time to keep constant power to it, but it is rechargeable. Go ahead and hit our power button, push it and hold it in for a moment. Okay, to scan, you want to just push the scan button here. It's got the play and pause icons on it. Once you get there, you hit the next and it will move down in your menu. Once you get there, you can hit enter and it will start scanning and locking those stations in. You've got stations 2 saved, 3 stations. Just let it run. And it looked like we have 15 stations saved here where I live. You have your power indicator, that's how much strength that signal is. You can raise your antenna and the bars went up there. You hit the preset button and it will show you all your stations that you have saved. You can scroll through those with the next button right here. Looks like you'll be able to save up to 40 preset stations. Now if you have a station that you don't want, you just push that button, go down to replace existing presets. Hit enter, you can replace the existing presets or cancel or replace them all. You hit the menu to get back out of this. Now if you want to go to a preset station, just hit your preset and then you can scroll down your list. And when you get there, just hit enter and there you go. Now you can enable or disable your weather alerts. Right now you can see the little triangle there. It is on. If you want to disable it, just press the WX and hold it and it'll turn it off. Now that's gone. You'll turn it back on, just press it and it's back on. On your SOS button, you just press it and hold it. Press it again to turn it off. Really loud. Menu button. Weather alerts. You can set your channels, alert mode, and alert volume. Then you can move down to your system settings, hit enter to go into there. Your alarm settings, you can set your alarms. Remember, you just hit the menu to go back one. You scroll down to your date and time, backlight, language, factory reset, and the version number. And you can change the format to the 24-hour. If you want to go to 24-hour versus the 12-hour time. You change your brightness on your backlight. All kinds of little settings right here. It's all in the paperwork. You can go through that menus, and you have all kinds of settings in here. You can go through the paper here and set it accordingly, whatever suits you. Now, I've mentioned the power button, and also is the mode button, so you'll be able to go from weather. There we got our weather.
In the afternoon. Wednesday night, clear, breezy with lows in the mid-70s.
There's your weather. You can hit your next button to go through your menu here in Bluetooth mode. If you want to hook up your phone, it's on the pairing mode. Just open your phone up. You go to your Bluetooth. You got CR1031, which is the model number of this. Just click pair, and it is paired. Now you can listen to your music through it. Really cool little radio. If you have an SD card in there, you can switch to the SD card. I'll tell you what, if you are looking for a weather alert radio, as well as FM radio, clock, alarm clock, all that, all into one, you might want to check this one out. It's going to be perfect right here beside the bed, so if something comes up in the middle of the night, it'll wake me up. Hey, it is a thumbs up in my book. I like it. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do so. Also, you might want to check this playlist out right over here. Might be something in there that you'd be interested in. Hey, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.